Hello, good afternoon. We are... Oh, wait lang sir. Ano naman yun? Ay, okay. Wait lang din sir. Hello, good afternoon. We're the GLHF and this is our progress report. Progress number one, splash screen in design. Dinero, Marquez, and Roble designed the official Pinumdum splash screen. Uh, this is, I don't know if they decide to change it or, but as for now, this is our splash screen. EA with question mark and pahinandong. Progress number two is homepage of Painumdum. Coronado built the structure of the homepage while Visaya is tasked for implementing the design of the page. As of now, this is our progress of for the homepage. You can see there's the home, but it's not finished yet. And lastly, our progress number three is Dinero, Marquez, Roble finalized the prototype design of the application. This is the our goal for now. This is the output of the prototype of the application. There's this container with the tasks or the reminder if you want to a date, can add title and the add reminder. For our upcoming tasks is uh, upcoming Visaya and Prieto will implement the splash screen in the application. Me and Visaya will implement the splash screen later or tomorrow, depending on set it's depending on situation. Coronado is starting to code the time in the homepage. As you can see, we're trying to implement real time the time in the homepage for now. Uh, Coronado will add the functionality of adding, editing, and deleting of tasks starting Thursday after he's finished the homepage. That's for our progress report, sir. Lolo. Lolo. Doon ka na kung report din na or...
Dugan. Tunggal man. Lalo.
Hmm.
Kawan mic yan.
Ay, okay, sorry.
Hello, makita ako kon? So sir, so this is our progress report as of today. As of today, December 2. So this is our list of to do. The as December 1, 2020 is our beta testing UAT finalizing codes for the application. Next is for the list of doing, which is currently in progress right now. The cognitive walkthrough almost done, and I think it would be finished today. Next is the ideas for application still ongoing. Next is connecting our database in our application ongoing. Coding our application still ongoing. Next is the list of done. So the our list of done is the problem statement, the storyboard of the application, application icon or logo, and design of the app. And alpha testing, make heuristic evaluation, setting up private for development, make user profile. So for our timeline,
Ay, mali. Wait lang. So for our timeline, so we finished problem statement in November 26, our content for application November 27, our storyboard November 27, the setting up for project for development November 27, and we started coding November 28, and make user profiles November 28, make heuristic evaluation December 1, alpha testing December 2, and the design of the application December 2. So there are still ongoing, oh, sorry. So there are still ongoing which is ideas, coding half, and connecting our database. So that's all.
So, good afternoon, sir. So far, sa progress, so for our progress, so far we have the finalization of our content. Then Delgado managed to do the login as for the UI. And then Bandong and Palma finished the Firebase. Then for our to-do list, we are planning to redesign kay na ay changes from our programmer. Then na ay mga pending code which is the account verification, dashboard, and search. Then mas improve pa na mo ang workflow. So that will be all for now.
Low check. Madunggan ko guys. First of all, I want to inform Mr. Nicolas to check his email. After the recording kasi ilalagay daw dun sa Google Drive mo. So as soon as available na yung link, kindly post it sa to ang classroom. Okay? So congratulations guys. I have some things to add muna. Isahin ko na lang yung comments ko for the entire progress report. Allow me first to inform you that tentatively I have scheduled the exam um, exam nato sa subject that will be this Friday 8 a.m. So for any updates and changes about the schedule, we'll inform you ahead of time. Please update our classroom in that. But nevertheless, no, if if you try to look at the dates, no, we need to make sure that before Friday next week, no, before December 11, things for presentation, application presentation should be ready na. I will be giving you some details later as to what to prepare. Let me first share some of my comments about the progress reports. Ano? I find it informative. No? You have managed to identify uh, the details, no? Not the general um, progress. You have presented a detailed progress about the application. Well, that's good, no? That's a good sign because you know what are the things that you have accomplished within how many days, no? So I've prepared here a siguro mga additional tips lang, no, for your mga sumusunod pa na progress reports. This is from Oregon. Take note guys that we have 3 more meetings. Tama ba? 2 more meetings left. Ito yung pangatlo natin. We still have Monday and Wednesday next week to close the term. No? For those 2 remaining meetings, expect part of the session will be progress reporting. No, it will be always asking or presenting your progress, no, accomplishment for the day or for the entire week. So may dalawa pa kayong progress report na andamon and I will give you some advice on how to make polish the progress report that you have presented earlier. Well, there have a lot of good points that you have cited, no, especially um, you have uh, stated, no, the timeline, and I want also to highlight the presentation from SS. If you can talk and share if the what's the software that you have used again. Would you like to walk us through some quick, let's say demo lang, no, on how it works and sige ba? Is it a desktop application? Tama ba ako? How would you manage to share or contribute remotely? Or is it one person lang yung control for entire project? Did you invite me already? Na-invite na ba ko nimo sa Kanban ninyo? Okay, thank you. Well, that's a good thing, no? You have tried other alternatives. Um, as I said before, any digital Kanban solution could be great for if ever you're kung asa mo comfortable. And the thing there is aside from the Kanban board UI, yung lahat ng desktop na napakita kanina ng Team SS, guys, I want you to also focus on the stuff that have been assigned per member, no? It was not just a task na um, plainly general yung pagka-assign, no? It's more of the specific task that I think they can achieve it within just a few days or hours. Nasabi ko na rin ito before. So I want you to go back, no, to your Kanban board, especially your the project leaders. Look at each card, look at each tasks. If you can, no, divide it into several tasks, that would be very good. No, that would be somehow, like say, you have to in creating a let's say creating a UI for a certain page, you can divide it into three phases. No, phase one, these are the things that you need to achieve. Mas maganda, no? It would be somehow measurable. Alam natin na we know what to expect for the entire development. Aside from that, guys, I also prepared yung sabi ko kanina, some tips. You are expected to present 2 more progress reports as part of the activity of our 2 remaining sessions. Take note that kung kinsa man tong nag-present karon sa progress report sa inyong grupo, they will not be able to present anymore. So you need to assign another person to present. Dalawa na lang man yung progress report, so you need to assign 2 more members for the 2 remaining sessions na to for the progress report. Ito, take note of this. I wanted to make this as a guide, no, for improving your progress report. I was expecting you have already a template, no, personalized template from your project management or ano ba yung mga subjects niyo related to software um, creation before. I think this would be somehow helpful na lang for you to improve, no, the way you prepare your progress reports. So let me share my screen. for a while. Ayan. By the way, tingnan ko muna guys ha. Sorry. Ito yung slide niyo. Okay, so for the progress report, i-share ko muna yung screen pala. Yan. So this is from Open Oregon. If you want to express your progress report, by the way, the main idea of progress report is to somehow give us an idea, an assessment, something like what you have done for the day, for the week, about the project. Guys, the tawag na nito, main goal of a progress report. Low check. Okay. So the main function of a progress report is the reassurance. No, ito yung sinasabi natin that um, we are we are assigned to deliver tasks, we are assigned to complete some tasks, pero we need also to give assurance to, let's say, our recipients. No, in our case, let's say client. No, sa inyong case karon ako as your instructor, or or you can also think a um, any possible client na somehow sa tingin ninyo na they could be a candidate, no, na pwedeng an entrepreneur that could somehow invest on your idea in your application right now. You can provide them a something like a progress report, no. Some applications man good does not start from scratch, no. Some applications na who need funding, who really need budget for the entire development, no, already created some minor development, no. So preparing or presenting a progress report to somebody, let's say an entrepreneur, let's say venture capitalist, they are interested on what is your problem, what is your idea, no, what's the solution for the problem, and at the same time, what have you done, or plus na yung mga technical skills and capabilities that you can offer. So creating progress report will gain um, trust, no, more trust to let's say the funder or your recipients alone. So I suggest that you consider all of these things na ma-discuss na to this afternoon. So first is how much of the work is complete. So when you talk about how much, you need to make something like a measurement, no? So one of the considered to be good measurement for that is yung let's say in terms of pwede maka-Likert, no? You can have a sorry, Likert, percentage wise, no? You can say half of it, 50% or 70%. Depends on how you label the percentages, no? Of course, pag sinabi nating 70%, you should be able also to explain where's the 30%. No, what do you mean by the another let's say the remaining of your work. Take note of this, no? This is individually yung mga tasks na na-assign for each member. Another thing to consider is the part of the work that is currently in progress. I've seen your presentation. This is addressed, no? Napakita nyo naman. So most likely you have identified already this item. Another one is what work remains to be done. Ito medyo concerned ako kasi nga you've identified some things to be done, some things to work on. Tapos the items, no, yung mga card na nakalagay doon are more general, or generic, no, more general in nature. Um, yung example na update on UI, you don't have, if you did not specify which particular UI, you have a lot of UI in your, no, in your entire, tawag natin dito, entire application. To connect to the database, there are a lot of database out there, no? You have a SQL and no SQL databases to connect. I suggest you to really, to describe them as more detail as you can, to be specific, para pagbasa ng tao na naka-assign for that, he or she will be reminded what will be the task na kanyang gagawin, no? Well, Codus also, for the first presenter, they have successfully something like integrated some screenshots with that. Um, makikita mo na those are initial progress, no? And they are honest, uh, honestly presenting their progress based on their output. I think you should consider the template from the GLHF, no? The presentation earlier. Kasi nga, the moment they assign this task to somebody, no? Um, I've seen that template presentation before, if I remember it right. It was also from the game development. I was supposed to ask an individual to submit his or her, no, her tawag na updates on the UI. So ang progress report na ginawa, naalala ko, nilista niya lang yung lahat ng items, tapos per item naglagay siya ng screenshot. Ito yung before, ito yung after, no? Ito yung naging kinalabasan nung ginawa niya yung task na yun. So maybe you can use that one. That's very effective in progress reports. It's by the way, there's no official template for this. It's just how you will be keep assurance, no, to give assurance to the recipient that you are doing this correctly. No, you are addressing all these issues and all of these requirements seriously. Another item is what problems or unexpected things, if any, have arisen. So, if you can also consider to present the progress report, no, as being honest as you can, you might want also to consider some challenges, no, that you have encountered during the development. So, mahalaga guys that especially in our setup right now, no, we are not in the same room, we are not in the same laboratory. Now we can share ideas instantly from one problem to another. Um, the, the good thing with the progress report that you have to include, or somehow you include the challenges you have encountered, then somehow may solution kayo doon. It's an additional learning knowledge, no, for the listeners, no, for us, that may ganito pala, no, na stuff or things na ma-encounter during no, dealing with this activity, or yung card na yun yung naka-assign sa'yo, and then we can also see na, or we can also evaluate on our own if your approach is proper ba or not, no? So don't worry about, no, magkamali ka, because progress reports are intended to be evaluation, subject for evaluation purposes. It's okay, no? It's okay to just to be honest about it. How the project is going in general. Ito, sabi ko kanina on the first 4 slides, yung the previous slides pala, make it more specific, no? As detailed as it is, it is more of acceptable pag mas detalye. Pagdating kasi dito sa general, no? Somehow on the last part, no, maybe you can close the progress report by, di ba, sabi nga natin dito, we need to reassure, no, we just, the key word is reassurance, no, para bang sinasabi mo dun sa listener na we can do this, no, we are on the right track. So we might as well to, no, reserve the last slides, or maybe a slide na these are your tawag natin yung plan, no, in general. If you remember yung mind map na example earlier, there's supposed to be a more para bang tawag doon, a good template for a mind map aside from the presented earlier. Maybe you can check out some better representation of mind map out there. Well, the mind map earlier na visualization, that's good, no? But what I'm referring to is yung para bang workflow, no? The entire workflow of your project. And maybe you can identify saan na kayo doon banda, no? I know you have several steps to no, na ginaplano. And asa naman mo dito dapita? Okay, something like that. Kasi is going in general eh. So saan kayo papunta, no? Maybe you can have sa mind map, example sa mind map is you can create sub-child o mga children, no? If you can go to this path or you can actually go to another path. Tapos you can present as na you did not go to this path because of the challenge, blah blah blah. So we go to this path, no? I know you have that in your during your discussion, you know, yung mga chat days ninyo. Maybe you can go back to your chat history and draw some development on that. I know you have adjustments. I think it's better also to present that adjustment. Did you get me? Progress reports also include several important functions. Number one, ito, dapat we need to reassure the recipients that we are making progress. Ito yung sinabi ko kanina na in a development process, in a real world development process, guys, there is a money involved. No? If you are into a software development talaga, may fund talaga yan siya. No? Kaso nga lang mahirap masyado dito i-simulate sa ating setup sa klase natin na mag-involve ng pera. But if you try to really ask yung mga professional, no, they are really more concerned, no, the application developers and all of these project members of project are all concerned about the fund, no, yung pera na binigay. Kasi you are about to spend that one, spend that one to honorarium for your programmer, for your tester. If there will be some tawag natin dito, yung kailangan bilhin ng mga equipment, no, or devices, you need to purchase that. If you want to rent a space, no, for your temporary office, you also need that, no. So may cost talaga na involved. Yun nga lang mahirap i-simulate dito. So I hope you can also consider this na maybe you can just think of na may talaga bang need, no, the need to give the assurance, no, to me as your instructor na you are somehow, no, parang putting your best effort, no, to really complete the entire project. And take note, it will be complete by the expected date. So gaya ng nakita ko kanina, no, compared to the presentation ng previous section, etong presentation na you guys are more tawag natin dito. May value ng time, no? Na nag-value kayo sa time kasi may mga specific due date kayong nailagay. So I hope you really follow that. That would be a good reference for your progress report, no? Malalaman mo kung naga-perform ba ng mabuti yung naka-assign na tao on that based on the deadlines. No, kasi dito rin natin ma-measure yung procrastination, no, yung hindi natin pag-value sa ating time, no? We did not actually manage it properly. So, sa progress report, it will be okay, take note, it will be okay to be open, no, to say something na sa tingin niyo naman it will help the entire group to progress. Para naman sa mga maigo, no, sa mga ma-address during, for example, sa progress report, if this person is did not, no, complete the 4 tasks, and the reason and for that, kung hindi niya na-complete yung 4 tasks na yon, na kuha na siya, na snowball, something like that, no, na it affects the entire the requirements, no, the other requirements. So my advice to the entire group, in each member, no, please be open, no, take it as positive criticism. Malalaman sino pa bang pwedeng magsabi, no, kundi yung mga member din ninyo kung ano yung dapat nyong gawin, no. Alam ko may mga considerations kayo ngayon. Let's say may mga members kayo na does not really something like give their best effort, no, just to complete the project. This is your time to share that one, guys, no. Make this as don't worry, no, make this one as tawag ba natin doon, your way to inform me, no, even it's public, even it's for the whole class. Pwede nyo naman kasing hindi mag-name drop, no, pwede naman kasing you have 2 members, I have member A, member B, who is not something like did not somehow, no, submit or completed the work on time. That's why we have happened to experience this type of delay. O may mga ganun na mga statements. I hope marunong naman kayo pumili ng mga words na hindi tawag natin dito, makaka-degrade, no, makaka-apekto dun sa co-members niyo. So whether it's positive or negative na report, guys, that will still be a report, no, that will still be a progress report. I want you to take note on that. Provide recipients a brief look at some of the findings or some of the work of the project. This would somehow refers to yung mga sample screenshots, no. On the next progress report, you might want to consider adding some proof na ganito yung nangyari, no. Previously ganito, some minor adjustments, naging ganito na siya. Ayan. Give recipients a chance to evaluate your work on the project and to request changes. Next Monday, no, if matuloy, if bakante yung ma-invite ko na developer, he or she might, depende kung musugot silang duha, to give their own parang coaching na rin, no, at the same time for your final application presentation, no. So kailangan yung progress report nyo doon, ma-take note nyo na to, yung mga adjustments natin na discuss ngayon dito, para there will be some improvement on yung progress report during that time, on that particular time. So give you a chance to discuss problems in the project and thus to forewarn the recipient. So this means that it does not just end on success, no, yung mga success stories na yung ilalagay sa progress report. It would be also very informative or crucial to discuss some pain points, na ibig sabihin nun, yung mga sa tingin niyo naging mabigat para sa inyo to proceed kasi nangyari tong event na to, or yung something like na may mga hindi kayo inaasahan na moment. Well, you can also think of na technically or behaviorally or personally, no, kasi may mga cases na hindi nyo na-perform, hindi nyo na natapos yung supposedly gusto nyo tapusin because um, some some technical issues, no? Pero I want you to also consider na pwede rin ninyong ilagay dito sa progress report yung something to deal with your attitudes, yung mga behavior concerns. It's all part, guys. It's all connected, no? Uh, lahat ng mga na-encounter ninyo, lahat ng mga na-experience ninyo should be properly documented and be placed here in your progress report. It's all connected, no? Force you to establish a work schedule so that you'll complete the project on time. This is very important. I've seen this one, sabi ko kanina sa mga nag-present, no? I think most of the groups have presented this. I hope you will be um, tawag natin dito, uh, ma-inspire mo to complete the project based on your timeline. And what else can I say, no? You aside from the grades that you want from the subject, I also want you to have this application up and running na no dikit ang inyong pangalan dito ba no na dito inyong names, and also you can, this application could be installed on your own phones, no? It can stay longer, depending kung if you can also update it or advance it, or maybe you can add more features in the future. No, you can, kayo lang yung talagang pwedeng gumawa na nito. So I really want you to be inspired and make this doable, no? At saka makapresent kayo dun sa ating presentation day. Project a sense of professionalism to your work and your organization. Time is gold. Don't procrastinate. Make sure everyone is contributing. No, don't just wait for your go-to guy. Ito yung ginaasahan ninyo to really complete the task. Pag feeling niyo guys you're vacant, I mean you don't you have already done those tasks na binigay sa inyo, might as well to ask, no, if ever sa inyong mga members, even your project leader, for sure your project leader would somehow share his or her task to you, kung mag-offer lang mo. So by means of this, no, it's outside technical knowledge, no, it's outside, it's more of behavioral attitude na gini siya. So I really also want you to no practice that one here, kasi pagdating ninyo sa isang organization, whether you own that organization or you're just an employee of that organization, attitude matters. Okay? Better communication will be a good start for that, and understanding and as well as cooperating will really help the entire project to complete the entire the no, the application. So I hope I do make sense talking about this update and progress reports. I expect ba? Will I expect an an enhanced na progress report this Monday? Sige, thank you. So you need to assign na ha, two more presenters, two more progress report presenter next Monday and next Wednesday. So kung sino yon, it's up to you. Make sure hindi na maulit yung hindi na makakaulit yung nag-present ngayon. So, kung sino man yun siya, you need to find another presenter next week. Can I end record. Sino ba nag-umpisa ng record? Paki-stop nga sa recording. Paki-share na rin kung saan ba siya ma-share. Kung kanino siya na-share. Paki-share dun sa classroom nato. Anong sabi Mr. Nicholas? Kanino daw na drive na ilagay? Sa iyo pa rin? Sige. Okay. Sige, thank you. So this time, before we go to the tester's huddle, please be reminded that we're about to end our term number 2 for the entire first semester of school year 2020 and 2021. So matatapos yung first semester natin, guys, next week, no? So tentatively, our final presentation will be Friday, December 11. Tingnan natin if we can manage to use the entire day, or sorry, the entire day. Yan, December 11 na yan, but you're not expected to be online for the entire day. You're just expected to be online on a specific time slot. That you're also expected, all members should be expected na andun, no, during the presentation. So presenter, it can be at most 2, no? Pwede dalawa yung magre-present. Depende, no? Depende sa inyo kung sino yung gawin yung mag-present sa presentation day na yan. Each group will be given 15 minutes to pitch, 5 minutes for presentation, like say your problem, your solution, maybe your test results, no? Yung mga user profile niyo, maybe you can also, it's up to you. Ano yung ilalagay niyo dun sa presentation na yan. Another 5 minutes for the demo. This demo will include yung actual live running application na, no? It's a minimum viable product na i-present niyo during that day. It will not be expected to be 100%, pero I will expect that the core features, yung mga importante na kailangan talagang isali dun sa application ninyo ay gumagana, no? Ibig sabihin ng gumagana, hindi lang sila andun for user interface, andun sila for, let's say, for that purpose, no? Another 5 minutes for question and answer. Okay? So tentatively, I've been communicating to some software developers na kakilala ko sa industry. May 3 na akong kinakausap ngayon, still did not yet commit. They need to choose one lang kasi, no? I need to choose one lang to invite. Yun lang yung kaya sa budget. And well, malaking tulong na yun, no? Malaking tulong na yun if they will be vacant on that specific day, at saka makakontribute sila sa inyong growth sa application development niyo. So I've been managing to talk with 2 female software developers and 1 male developer. Baka they will also give some ideas on what to improve, no? Just take all of these advices from the panel, guys, no, positively. Well, diba, I mean, the real world is really all about criticism, no? And then no, it's not all about criticism, but you can accept criticism and make sure, no, you can address and answer, no, make solutions on how to adjust kung ano yung mga problems that you have encountered. Another technical panel na I will consider is a faculty from business department, no? So maybe he or she, depende sa approve, ma-approve, they will somehow give you an insights on which function, no? Kasi most of the time yung iniisip natin na functionality, guys, baka cool siya, no? Baka nindot siya on our perspective, but on marketing perspective, it does not make appeal at all, no? So pwedeng tingnan natin ng idea yung panel na yan. Also baka maka-add din siya ng more insights on your applications. And last but not the least is also the faculty from our department, no? I will be closely talking to somebody na maybe can give insights on some technical stuff, no? Whether UI, UX, or programming. Ayan. So, that's all for this session. Do you have any questions, by the way? I hope I do make sense on the progress reports that you will be able to prepare. And thank you for your honest progress report earlier. Please continue that and enhance the template next week. So as we are going to prepare for this final presentation, I will separately ask the testers, no, to meet me on a separate breakout room. I will post the link here in our chat area. If your project leader is available, they may also join, no, sa ato ang testers huddle. For the rest of the group, for the rest of the member of the group, you can use the remaining time for your tasks. Yung mga tingnan niyo yung card niyo dun sa Kanban board niyo. Baka pwede may mga makuha kayo ng mga card na pwede niyo gawin na madalian for now. You can continue, by the way. But we need to set another room na lang. I can still be here, no, sa main meet nato, but we need to meet to use another room, breakout room na lang para sa testers. Okay? So yun lang for now, for this session, guys. Bago ko pala makalimutan, for the programmers, there will be a alpha version, an alpha version to be submitted Monday. So I hope you can work more like faster on your demo application. So I will ask an alpha version of that. What do you mean? What do I mean by alpha version? Most of the alpha version has a navigation, UI navigation working. No, yung mga links are from one page, from one activity to another activity is working as well. No, something like that. And also some minor functionalities. No, pwedeng hindi kompleto, pwedeng marami pang mga kailangan gawin. Pero kailangan ko makita yung initial version, no, yung alpha version ng application ninyo. Programmers, narinig nyo ba yon? Submit. So kailangan nyo ibigay sa akin yung APK version. You need to submit it. I will post an instruction sa atong classroom on how to submit the alpha version. So, in the moment, yun na muna ang i-prepare nyo, guys. And for the Google Meet link, wait lang ha, gawa ko ng bagong link. I will invite the testers and project leaders if they can join us to discuss some points sa testing. Thank you, Jeno. Salamat. So here's the link, guys. I will meet you sa kanina link. So for the rest of the members, you may stay or you may leave the classroom. It's okay na. So yun. For the rest of the members, other members, programmers, UI designers, that will be all for now. No? See you next meeting. For testers and project leaders, we may use this breakout link.